Number 4, I can't possibly do it all myself. This concern is so valid, and I want to acknowledge that your life is probably already very full. You might be caring for aging parents, supporting adult children, managing a household, working a demanding job, dealing with health challenges, or all of the above. The thought of adding entrepreneur to that list can feel overwhelming. But here's the good news. With the right mindset and effective strategies, you can build a business that fits into your life rather than taking it over. The key is working smarter, not harder. I know we've heard that before, but let's talk about mindset. You don't have to do everything, and you certainly don't have to do everything perfectly. Perfectionism is the enemy of progress, and it's particularly dangerous for new entrepreneurs because it leads to paralysis and procrastination. Instead, embrace the concept of good enough to start. You can always improve and refine as you go, but you can't improve something that doesn't exist yet. Focus on progress, not perfection. Effective time management becomes crucial, but it's not about cramming more into your day. It's about being intentional with the time that you have. Look for pockets of time that might be underutilized. Maybe it's 30 minutes before work, during lunch breaks, or in the evening after dinner. Prioritize ruthlessly. Not all tasks are created equal. Focus on the activities that will move your business forward most significantly. This might mean saying no to some good opportunities so you can say yes to the great ones. Delegate whenever possible, and this doesn't mean just in business. Can you outsource household tasks like cleaning or grocery shopping? Can family members take more responsibilities? Can you use services like meal delivery or pickup to save time? In your business, start thinking about delegation from day one. You don't have to be a graphic designer if you're not naturally artistic. Use tools like Canva or hire freelancers. You don't have to be a copywriter if writing isn't your strength. There are templates and services available for all of this. Batch similar activities together. Instead of checking mail throughout the day, check it at designated times. Instead of creating content piece by piece, set aside blocks of time for content creation. This approach is much more efficient and less mentally taxing. Use systems and automation whenever possible. Set up email sequences that nurture your audience automatically. Use scheduling tools for social media posts. Create templates for common tasks. These systems work for you, even when you're not actively working. Remember, building a business is a marathon, not a sprint. You don't have to do everything in the first month, or even in the first year. Pace yourself and celebrate small wins along the way. Every step forward is progress worth acknowledging. Also consider that running your own business often provides more flexibility than traditional employment. You can work when it suits your schedule, take breaks when you need them, and prioritize what matters most to you. For me, it's about using scheduling tools to help me stay organized and on task. I know this is about freeing up time and working less, not about scheduling every second, and still being able to build my business and prioritize my family. The use of tools here helped me do exactly that. I decided I was only going to work a set number of hours a day for a set number of days a week. Then I scheduled those times. Those times included the various tasks I needed to accomplish. Then I told myself very sternly that I was going to not work my life away just because it was my business. I have learned to delegate and manage my tasks. Now days are more relaxed and I get more work done, and I still have plenty of time to enjoy the things that matter the most to me. It's a win-win, and I'm grateful for that every single day.